So hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I am bringing you the Valentine's Day Tree Challenge. Okay, so I want everybody who takes up this challenge to make a Valentine's Day tree. I want to have it done by, let's see, I realized that it's not that far away. So if we could have it done by, let's say, the 9th of February, that'll give us enough time. That's on a Friday. Oh, no, let's make it the 10th of February on a Saturday. So that'll give us enough time. That'll give us 2 weeks. Make it any way you want. I'm going to do mine and then come on and have a demo, but I want everybody to just kind of create it. Excuse me. I'm rather parched. And that way we can create a Valentine's tree. We always have a Christmas tree and we have Easter trees. But I saw a Valentine's tree. And if you want to go on Mark Montano's challenge, I think I'll try to put it in the comment section. He's an artist and he's a friend of mine. We become friends on Facebook. And he did a tree. But I had decided to do the challenge before. And so I got busy for a couple of days, so I wanted to come on. So I want everybody to do the tree. And let's see what become of it. I do have some Goodwill goodies, though. Got to show you my goodies from Goodwill. And then got to show you the books I was working on. And then, of course, Angel wants to say hi. Well, I did go to the dollar store, but I really didn't get anything. But I did get these. And I did get the doilies. I got those from the dollar store. But I got, there she is. Say hi.
Hello.
So I got a blow dryer. But I got a heat gun, but it's like coming from China. And if anybody knows about that slow boat to China, okay, slow boat from China. So it's going to take 2 or 3 weeks to get here. So I'm going to need more than one anyway. So we went to Goodwill today, and they had a sale. So I was glad to get this. So this stays up here. This is what it is. It's my heat gun. And then I got another lampshade, of course. So, but I'm going to cover this. So got little ducks on it and everything like that. So that's going to be covered. Then, okay. Oh, I got a bag full of goodies that I didn't open up. So we'll open this up together. Because I was like on a roll there. And my granddaughter said, "You don't really need all those." And I said, an artist always needs, or a crafter or an artist, whatever, always needs their stuff, their staff. And
but you have a billion.
That might be true to you. It seems like I have a billion. But you could always find room for more.
You can't. I can't.
Well, not yet, but you will.
No, literally, our house can't fit
all that. Well, when you get your new house, and that will be soon, okay, you'll have your own room probably, and then you'll be able to.
Now that I think about it, I don't want my own room.
Why?
Because Ari's never really in there.
So, but I mean, when you get your own, when your parents get a house and everything, and you have your.
Not getting my own room till like a few.
Well, then you'll have your own room like this, maybe, and you can fix up your room any way you want it. Kind of like Andy Mack, how she fixed up her room. That was really cool. I like her room. I'm gonna get this open, okay?
You need help?
Nah, I don't need help. I need new hands.
I thought you didn't want new knees though.
Well, I want new knees, but not artificial knees. Got it open. So let's see what we got here. Oh man, we got a whole bunch of stuff. Ribbon. That looks like, I guess you're gonna have to turn that light back on because I can't see the color. Just going to turn the light on. It's going to be kind of ribbon. That's black. That's white. Ooh, we got some swans. These came from somewhere. I'm not sure where. Some swans with the little ducklings on them. That's so cute. That'll go on something. That'll make a good embellishment. Beads. More beads. Little gold beads. More beads. More beads.
Really?
More beads. I'm so happy. I'm like a kid in a candy store. More beads.
Just like JoJo Sink, he made a song called that. JoJo Siwa did.
Oh, did she did?
Yeah,
She did?
it's called Kid in a Candy Store.
More little beads. These are actually pom-poms. These are, I don't know what these are. These are bead accessories. Never saw those before, but I'll use them. Got some orange ribbon. Got some gold and red and green ribbon. Got some more beads. And then I got, these are glass beads.
Let me see.
And then these are glass beads. See, you thought this was
What?
glitter. These are glass beads. These are white.
You still have enough glitter.
These are glass beads, and these are different colors, blue and whatever. And these are glass beads. And she thought this was all glitter, but I knew. These are bugle glass beads, too. This came from Mainstay. And then these are large Okali. I haven't heard of that before. These are glass beads, and they're white. So I made out like a little bandit. So anyway, I'm going to go. Got to run. Got to do some artwork. Don't forget to make the Valentine's tree. And it's due. I forgot the date already.
You said the 10th on Saturday.
The 10th on Saturday. Okay. And you want to say anything? You want to show them what you're working on?
Yeah. It's a diary. Why do I show that?
I didn't know whether you wanted to or not.
I'll show them the cover.
That's what you got from Goodwill today.
And then it says, Love Bites, and it has all these cookies on the
I got some more stuff.
Wait, and there's one more thing I have to tell.
Oh, I gotta get some more. Go ahead. Wait a minute. I got this from Goodwill. This is all handmade. It was made from handmade paper. It's from poop poop paper. Poop poop paper. Oh, okay. That's why you asked me was it made out of poop. Oh, I didn't know.
I said it's made out of horse poop or some poop.
I didn't know that you was. No, it is not though. And this is all paper made. So I'm going to use this for something, but I'm also going to use the paper. But I am going to. It made me want to start making paper again and filling it in my smash books and other books. Oh, I'm going to show you some.
Wait,
other
my
stuff
letter tell what I was
in a minute. Then I got this one, last but not least. And so this is all paper. This is all plain paper. So I'm going to use this in my smash book or whatever, and my journals. And then I made 2 mini journals. These right here. These are what I covered. This one and this one. I did this in all green. So these are mini books, and they're going to. I know. I might give that to Art. They'll be like this, but they'll be little mini books, and they'll have papers in them and things, and all kinds of things. I've got all kinds of things going on in my crazy little head. But this is the other book, the large book I made. All right, and I'm still working on this one. I have Bible scriptures here. That's all finished pretty much. And then I have this, and this will close like this. So, and I don't know.
So it's basically going to be like how mine closes.
Yeah. Well, yours is like this, the other one. I don't know whether maybe if you're as old as I am, you'll remember that they used to have these little books like this. And what's funny is now everybody is doing the smash books and the journals and everything like that, and they're coming back, but they were really, like, really beautiful, and I wish that I had kept, I don't know what happened to it, but my mother had a lot of different things, and it was all lace and everything like that, and I'm hard pressed to find lace because I do have her lace, a couple of her lace tablecloths that she crocheted, but I don't know that I want to put them in a book unless I'm going to keep it. But anyway, go ahead.
Rob, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah,
What
I have to.
what is it?
Rob.
How are they going to subscribe to the YouTube channel when you can't tell them what it is?
It's Chips World, and my Instagram is it's chipsworld_.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
No.
All right. It's Chips World, and I'm going to start putting it, I'll make sure that I put it in the contact all the time. Anyway, we got work to do. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And we love you. Take care. God bless.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.